Hello, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Today, our topic is the next unit of the chemistry, that is acid, base, and salt. Acids. What acids are? First of all, we will discuss that what acids are. The acids are those chemical substances which have a sour taste, or acids change the color of the blue litmus paper to red. Some of the common fruits, such as raw mango, raw grapes, lemon, orange, and emily, etc., are sour in taste due to the presence of acids in them. Sour milk also contains acid in it. The acids present in plants material and animal material are called organic acids. Organic acids are naturally occurring acids. Some of the organic acids, such as acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, and oxalic acid, also formic acid. These are the examples of these organic acids. The acids prepared from the mineral of the earth are called mineral acids, and these mineral acids are man-made acids. The most three common mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Concentrated mineral acids are very dangerous. They can burn our hands and clothes. These acids should be handled with care. In the laboratory, acids are generally mixed with water to dilute them. Such acids are called dilute acids. Dilute acids are less harmful to us. And you have to note that the carbonic acid is also a mineral acid but is a weak acid. Now, strong and weak acids. These acids are in two forms. One is the strong acid and other is the weak acid. All the acids divided into two groups, that is strong and weak acid. One is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. These are the strong acids, while as acetic acid, that's ethanoic acid, formic acid, citric acid, and tartaric acid, carbonic acid, these are weak acids. It is obvious that all mineral acids are strong acids. Only one mineral acid, carbonic acid, is a weak acid. Strong acids are very dangerous to drink. Even the dilute solution of strong acid is extremely harmful to drinking. The organic acids, being the weak acids, the dilute solution of weak acids are quietly safe to drink. Being weak, the organic acids like acetic acid, citric acid, and tartaric acid are used as food ingredient. For example, acetic acid is used in making pickles. Tartaric acid is used in baking powder, whereas carbonic acid is used in fizzy soft drinks and soda water. The reason for some acids being strong and others being weak have been discussed in the later classes. Thank you. Shukriya. See you next class. Okay.